So it's important that you're able to convert linear measurements. By linear measurements, I mean measurements of length. So you need to be able to convert between millimeters and centimeters and meters and kilometers. You need to be able to convert from here to here, or from here to here, or from kilometers all the way down to millimeters. So to do that, it's probably easiest to draw yourself up a little table that looks something like this. Millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers. And then between each of those, 10, 100, 1000. If you draw it like that, you shouldn't have any problems remembering it. Now I'm just going to put a little box around that, a little diagonal one. Now if you're converting millimeters to kilometers, if you're moving downwards, you need to divide. That's if you're converting millimeters to centimeters, or centimeters to meters, or meters to kilometers, you'll have to divide. And if you're converting kilometers to millimeters, you'll need to multiply. That's kilometers to meters, or meters to centimeters, or meters to millimeters, anywhere where you move from this direction to this direction. Alright, a few quick examples, let's get started. So if I need to convert 23 millimeters into centimeters, all I need to do is convert millimeters to centimeters, so I'm moving in this direction. And to do that, I need to move in this direction, which is divide. So that's going to be 23 divided by 10 equals 2.3 centimeters. Feel free to use your calculator with that question. So, moving in that direction, I'm dividing. Now this time I'm converting 5.2 meters to centimeters. So if I'm converting meters to centimeters, I'm moving in this direction, which means it's going to be multiply, and I'm moving past 100. So I have to multiply by 100. 5.2 times 100 equals 520 centimeters. Again, make sure you're using your calculator. Now, slightly more difficult question here. I'm going to convert 7.2 kilometers into millimeters. So I'm going to convert all the way from here, kilometers, all the way up to here in millimeters. So I need to go all the way up there. Now to do that, I'm going to have to do 7.2. I'm moving upwards, so I need to multiply. And I need to multiply by 1000, I need to multiply by 100, and I need to multiply by 10. The easiest way to do that is to count up the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to multiply it by 1 and 6 zeros, which is 1,000,000. So 7.2 times 1,000,000 equals 7,200,000 millimeters. Alright, so if you use this table, if you learn how to draw it, so you can always refer back to it, and then you convert downwards to divide, or upwards you multiply, shouldn't have too much trouble converting linear measurements.